So today we're going to talk about camera angles for storyboards. There is the bird's eye view, which is you're looking down at something. This often gives you the idea that you're godlike when you're looking down at something. And then there is normal view, that is parallel to the person or the action, whatever's going on. And then there's worm's eye view. Worm's eye is you're looking up at something. That usually implies that you're weaker than, or whatever you're looking at is more powerful. There is also tilt view, which basically tilts the camera at a different angle, and that gives the ability to create instability. Now, with that, the camera views themselves are actually pretty simple. You start off with a long camera angle, so extremely long is usually an establishing shot. It shows landscape or something along those lines. Then as you zoom in closer, it goes from extreme long shot to medium shot to close up to extreme close up. And from there, you can combine the camera angles, different types of shots, to create more dramatic shots. So, if you have any questions on that, feel free to ask. I've tried to limit the information as much as possible, and I hope this helps you all.